I'm going to explain what you need to do to fix a payment that was not processed for a pledge on Kickstarter. And the first thing that's going to happen is you're going to get an email after the campaign ends, like this from Kickstarter saying action needed. And there will be a reason for why the transaction has failed. In this case, it says your card does not have sufficient funds available. That was because I used a Cash App card that had, it's like a debit card that had a limited amount on it. There can be many other reasons. The most common reason is that the banks identify the transaction maybe as a fraudulent charge and don't allow it. And I have pledged on hundreds of campaigns, and still occasionally the bank with which I have my credit card will block charges due to fraud alerts. So I have to call them or they contact me and ask, do I approve of these charges? And there doesn't seem to be a way to tell them to just always accept Kickstarter charges. It seems that after a while, they'll still mark some as fraud once in a while. So once you get this email, or if you get a notification from your campaign manager, I'll show you different ways of getting to it. So one of them is you can click on this link on this email that says update or retry payment method. And so I'm going to click on that, and it's going to bring me directly to where I can retry the payment. So here I'm going to go here to retry the payment, and what it's going to do is it's going to ask me to update it with a different card. In this case, I can try to use the same card that I've already have in there, which is what I'm going to do this time. I'm just going to hit fix payment. I'm not going to do it right away because I want to show an alternate method of getting to this location. Or I can add a new card and try a new card. And so the other way to get here is to log into your Kickstarter account. At the top, you'll have a notification bar, and as soon as you log in, you'll see this red bar at the top that says, in this case, one alert about payments. Click on that, and you'll see that your pledge collection failure, fix the payment. It tells you how many days you have. You typically, from the end of a campaign, you typically have 7 days to fix your payment method. So here I'm going to click on fix payment, and it should bring me to the same page as I was before. And then I can click retry payment, and again has my original card, and then or I can add a new card and hit fix payment. Another way to do this is you log in, and if you don't see the bar at the top or something for some reason, then you can click on your backed projects and go to your backed project, and then you see this that you backed this project, and you can mark it as received, or you can view pledge. So if you click on view pledge, you'll see that down here it says errored pledge and what you need to do to fix it. And so again, you click on fix my pledge. It takes you to that page where you can click on retry your payment. So here I refilled this card up to have enough money on there in this case, or if you need to talk to your bank to tell them that they need to allow Kickstarter charges and that it's not fraud. And then once they agree to that, and then you can come back here and try your card again. So I'm going to try this again. Fix payment. And there we go. Now it's paid for. You can see that the red bar has gone away, and you can see that you can go back and view your pledge and view the pledge, and you can see that it's properly processed in here. And that's it. Once you've done that, you're good to go.